Hey everyone, this is Eli from Evilla Motorsports, just going over a quick tutorial on the installation of the Torque Solutions CNC base bushings. As you can see, the base has been taken out just for easier view. There's basically 4 bolts to it. They're all 12 millimeters. By taking them out, basically you just need a screwdriver, and if you can see in the center right there is going to be like a little bit of a metallic bushing there, and we'll just show it to you from the outside. There it is, and basically it's straightforward. As you can see, the standard bushing is a full rubber piece that can easily be taken out with the screwdriver. Just pops right out. So the only thing worth noting is basically the bushing. As you can see, the bushing has 2 sides to it, one with a lip and the other one with a flat piece. The one with the lip goes on the bottom, and then afterwards you're set. We next move to installing the shifter on the vehicle. Ours has been gutted, so it's a little bit easier for us, but the process is very much the same for the Accent, Rio, or Forte. The first thing we're going to install is the cable that goes directly bottom to the shifter. It's spring loaded, so we basically just load the spring up, then get it into the socket and then release it. Once you have the first cable secured, we next move to bolting on all 4 sides of the shifter base bushing. The reason we're moving to bolting on first is because the secondary cable gets in the way of one of the bolts, so we're better off just getting this whole process done. The last cable is a simple process, basically just goes in the slot and you secure it with a locking pin. Once that's done, you can put the interior back together and you should be good to go. But just test the shifter out just before you start putting everything together. Make sure everything's secure in place. Have fun, and thank you for watching.